Are you ready to make a galaxy sky using the marker blending technique? If you have never blended markers with water before, you are in for a treat. For this process, you need a small but thicker piece of paper, like construction, sulfite, or watercolor paper, a pencil, a permanent black marker, like a Sharpie, water-soluble markers, like Crayola, or any non-permanent colored markers, water, and a paintbrush. Let's start by making our shape. A circle, a square. You can draw freehand or trace something like a small bowl. Keep your shape small to about the size of your fist. Let's create mountains by drawing a jagged zigzag line across the shape. Give your mountains variety by making them different heights and widths, just like real mountains. To give them dimension, let's add shadows. Draw a line down from the peak of each mountain and over to the bottom of the mountain next to it. Do this on all mountain peaks in the same direction. Trace your pencil lines with the permanent black marker. It's very important to use a permanent marker for this step. Otherwise, the water that we use later will blend with the black marker and turn your galaxy sky a little bit muddy. You can erase your pencil lines once they are traced. Don't forget to outline your shape with the marker as well. Now let's finish off the details by adding shading to the mountain sides, with some small hash marks going in the same direction. A few dots and stipple marks with the marker add the look of rocks and boulders. Now it's time to choose your colors. The color wheel will show us what colors blend well together, like greens, blues, and purples. Flip your drawing to make it easy on your coloring hand. Sideways is good. Begin with your first color by filling in the space all along the horizon line over your mountains. Use the side of the marker point for the best coloring angle. Add your next color in a layer directly next to your first layer. You don't need to overlap the colors when using markers, but do get them right up next to each other. Continue layering with all your colors until the sky is filled and there are no large white areas. Now for the magic. Dip a paintbrush in plain water and paint your sky, starting with that first layer you colored and working your way up. Add water to your brush as you go. The marker takes on a paint-like quality and the colors blend together beautifully. Now that we've created a cool color galaxy, let's do it again using a warm color palette. This time we'll use warm colors on a triangle shape, using yellow, orange, red, and magenta. Once you start the marker blending technique, it's hard to stop. How many different galaxy sky combinations can you create?